All right, guys and gals that have chainsaws, this is an electric chainsaw. Pretty nice one too. It's lasted me a good 15 years. And now it won't tighten. Whatever I do, spinning the wheel, I cannot tighten the chain. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. Took me a while to figure it out, but I figured it out. And it's going to save you a little bit of money because you don't have to really buy anything else but a screw if you don't have one. There's one screw. This is all electronic. This is a plug-in. I love this thing. It does so good. So there's one screw that holds this in. You pull that out. Two screws that hold this in. And this has a little groove that you got to pay attention to. All right, that comes out. Now here's where, this is what's turned by the handle that spins. Here's where the brake happened, right there. Okay, so when you pull this out, this piece here that guides the rail was on that piece in there. So you got to dig that one out. It's actually down in there, and you got to dig it out. So let me do that. And I went through so much trying to get this thing taken out. Look how much came off. All right, so okay, there you go. It's magnetic. That's good. Now the thing is, my GoPro just went blank on me, so I'm hoping recording. Okay, so this is about 1 inch that came off, and you can see what it is. It's a reverse thread. You cannot get this in the store, and you cannot purchase it anyway. So to extend the life of your machine, there's a hole that this thing right here goes into. So what you do is you put a screw in there. It has to be a screw with a head, and you put a hole in there. I just screwed it right in. This goes down in there, and this piece is always toward the center this way. You work it in, you push this out, and then see, now that has virtually the whole throw in there. So that's what I did. And now the chain is tight. So you put this guy back on. Now your screw is going to interfere a little bit with this. See, it's up a little bit. When you screw it down, you make sure that's not so big you can't get this back on. So that holds that in place. That's the teeth. So now you put the 2 screws there, the 1 screw back on, and I'll bring it back up. And it has to sit all the way down for this guy to move around freely. Okay, so I can move back and forth. All right, so that's something you'll have to learn as you go along, and just make the little adjustments. And there it is, guys. It works great. Already did some cutting. So all this is red oak over here. And that's it. So, guys, it works like a charm. I hope this saves you a little bit of money. Subscribe and see a whole lot more videos. Bye now.